He's heading for a retrial. Stay with us. That's ahead and much more. Mubarak is appealing his life sentence for his involvement in the killing of demonstrators during the uprising that forced him from office. I'm joined now on the phone by journalist Sara Segani in Cairo. And tell us, Sara, what were the chances that Mubarak would win a chance at a new trial?
The chances were very clear from the beginning that this was a very possible outcome, that the court could grant him a retrial, particularly because his conviction in June was not based on direct evidence linking him to the killing of protesters in 2011, but for his failure to stop the killing of protesters during the course of the 18 days.
And what's expected as far as the outcome of a trial where he is allowed to bring in more evidence? Does he have a chance at a different outcome?
Definitely, it's a new trial, so that it could go either way. The thing is, everyone now is looking at a new fact-finding commission that was set up by President Mohamed Morsi, and they're looking whether the evidence that it collected could change the course of the trial, could bring evidence that could connect the president, his interior minister, and the security aides to the killing of the protesters, rather than convict him on their failure to stop that killing.
And what is the initial reaction there? I know this has just been announced to the possibility that Mubarak could see some sort of lesser sentence if the trial goes his way.
Definitely, it's not good so far, because the appeal that was accepted was his lawyer's appeal. It wasn't the prosecution's appeal, which means that the sentence could be lighter or could be the same. It could never be harsher sentence. So the thing that we're looking at, his supporters are celebrating outside the court, but other Egyptians are not happy with the outcome, and they're not feeling optimistic about it.
And we're seeing file footage of him previously. We know he's had severe health problems. What is the situation with his health right now?
He's now at the Maadi military hospital, which is in Cairo, but he will remain in prison. And this is sort of like a hospital. It's not the prison hospital, but it's used as such in his case. And he's still being investigated on. In other investigations and other trials and other charges, the latest of which is a corruption charge relating to him accepting regular gifts by state-owned Al-Ahram. And he's being questioned